One of the, I think, more encouraging developments over the last few years that I'm seeing, and particularly in the States, is that more and more churches are starting to recognise how serious climate change and the other environmental problems are. And there's increasingly groups and coalitions of churches, including evangelical churches, who realise that the primary, or one of the primary messages of Christianity is that we're stewards of the earth. Now, we might, in religious terms, there was always the view that man was given dominion over the earth and needed to conquer nature. Yet I feel the true meaning of Christianity is stewardship, and that we've been given this extraordinary gift of living in what by all accounts might be the only inhabitable planet in the whole certainly the known universe. And we have to question what we've actually done with it. And from a religious perspective, I think it's a terrible abuse of the privilege of being human. And that if you are religious and you believe in God and that God did give you this planet to live in, give us this planet to live in, then stewardship is so critical that we look after it and we care for it. And at a deeper level, we need to see, and I think more churches are seeing this, that there's a tremendous connection between environmental degradation and poverty. A lot of poverty and death and illness in developing countries is caused by indoor pollution. That's one of the biggest killers in the world. A lack of sanitation, a whole series of environmental problems, the destruction of rainforests and other resources. This is a moral problem. The environmental problem is not just about the disappearance of animals. It's not just about rising sea levels or drought. It's about poverty. It's about human health. It's about the destruction of societies, and it's only going to get a lot worse. So again, the environment represents a really great moral challenge that I think more and more religions are starting to consider is very much part of their movement and part of the message that they need to be telling their followers.